Aloha! Hi, it's Marlo, the Aloha Agent, host of the What's Up Show. So what's up, home buyers, when it comes to finally deciding which homes to place an offer on? You know, have you ever been in a situation to where you've seen multiple homes and now you're trying to decide which homes to put an offer on? And of course you're getting frustrated, you're getting stressed out. And the worst is yet to come, because once you finally decide on the home you want to put an offer on, maybe a day or 2 days later, you find out, oh, damn it, the home is already in contract. A buyer has already made that decision faster and got their offer accepted. You know, and I've seen that numerous times in my career. So I have, to help you, develop a home buying ranking system. It's a simple system that can streamline the decision in helping you make the decision on placing an offer on a home, you know, especially when you're seeing multiple homes. So what it is, what I said, once again, it's a home buying ranking system. It basically uses the numbers 1 to 5, and the way it's defined is 5 is a home that meets all your criteria, 100% criteria, and then of course definitely 1 is it really doesn't meet your criteria. 1 is a home don't even bother putting an offer on. So my clients are usually putting offers on homes that they've ranked 3, 4, and 5. So basically 3 would be matches about 60% of the criteria, 4 would be about 80% of the criteria, and once again 5 would be 100% of the criteria. So for example, they may see a house that's ranked a 3, 60% of the criteria, and they'll tell me, hey Marlo, we really like this house, it doesn't have everything we're looking for, but you know what, if we can get that home at just a little bit under the asking price, we're okay with that, you know. But if we can't, and that's fine too, we're okay with not getting the home, walking away, and then waiting for the right home. A home that's ranked number 4, 80% of their criteria, you know, they may pay, be comfortable with paying a little bit over asking to get that home because it meets 80% of the criteria. A 5, of course, is 100% of the criteria, and you know, they may be willing to pay way above the asking price. And you know what? And that's something that you have to determine as a buyer on a scale of 1 to 5 what you're comfortable with. You know, you may be only comfortable with placing offers on homes that are ranked 4 for you, and a home that's ranked number 5 for you. And as far as the percentage, those were just guidelines for you. Those percentages are what my clients utilize after sitting down with them and finally determining what is their buying criteria, what they're comfortable with. That's something you have to come up and put together. But I know once you determine your buying criteria and place them on the ranking scale system and deciding which numbers you're comfortable with and placing offers in, it's really going to help you streamline the process and help you get to a home a lot quicker. So in summary again, the ranking system, you start utilizing it today. Numbers 1 to 5, 5 being your dream home, reach 100% of criteria. Then the rest you can determine or utilize what I've talked about. My clients are doing 80%, 100%, 60%. Those are the 3 that they're having them, or they're telling themselves that they're comfortable, okay, with moving forward in placing offers. So any questions, let me know. I have a link below on my blog that talks more in depth about the ranking system and how you can incorporate it. So best of luck to you and take care. Once again, Marlo, the Aloha Agent.